Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide ruler in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your document. Now, you can see here is the already show the ruler in InDesign. Now I am hide this ruler. Now you can use ruler easily. Then go to the view menu and you can see here are the hide ruler option. Then click this. Now this ruler is hide. Now I'm go to the again view menu and again show the ruler. You can see this ruler is show. Now I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.